In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fidelity Fractional shares. This amazing feature known as stocks by the slice allows you to purchase a portion of a stock or an ETF using a dollar amount. You don't need to buy a whole share. With as little as $1, you can invest in eligible US stocks and ETFs. Let's dive into how you can take advantage of this convenient option. First, we'll begin by logging in. Sign in to your Fidelity account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade section, then click on Trade. Here, you'll want to select the account you wish to use for this transaction. Remember, choosing the right account is crucial because it ensures that your investment strategy aligns with your financial goals. With that taken care of, we can move on to the next step. Now let's enter the stock or ETF you are interested in. You'll need to type in the ticker symbol. For instance, if you're looking to invest in Apple, you would type AAPL. After entering the ticker symbol, choose Buy. This is important because selecting Buy confirms your intention to purchase rather than sell, which is a common area where mistakes can happen. Next up, we need to switch to dollars instead of the number of shares. In the trade interface, locate the quantity type field. Here you want to select dollars. This is where you enter the amount you wish to invest, whether it's $25, $100, or any other amount you're comfortable with. Switching to dollars is a key step because it allows you to purchase fractional shares instead of being limited to whole shares, providing more flexibility in your investment choices. Once you have entered the amount, we can proceed to review and submit the order. After entering the investment amount, take a moment to review the estimated fractional shares you will receive. This is a good time to double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Confirm the order details. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and submit the trade. After submission, Fidelity will purchase the appropriate fraction of a share based on the market price at the time of execution. This automated process is efficient and ensures that your investment is made as soon as possible, which could be crucial in a fast-moving market. To illustrate how this works, let's consider an example. Suppose a stock is trading at $500 per share, and you decide to invest $50. You don't need to buy a full share. Instead, you'll receive approximately 0.10 shares. This example highlights the flexibility and accessibility of fractional shares, allowing you to invest in high-priced stocks without a large upfront cost. It's important to note that while fractional shares are available for many US stocks and ETFs, not all securities are eligible. The minimum purchase amount is generally $1, making it highly accessible. Additionally, if you have dividend reinvestment enabled, dividends can often be reinvested into additional fractional shares, further compounding your investment over time. However, keep in mind that fractional shares have the same market risk as whole shares, so it's essential to stay informed about your investments. And there you have it. Using Fidelity's Stocks by the Slice program is a straightforward way to start or expand your investment portfolio. By following these steps, you can take advantage of the flexibility and accessibility that fractional shares offer. Happy investing!